in the last video I have already told that this type of linear equation can be solved in two methods. One is graphical method and one is algebraic method. So in a graphical method there are three processes. So three conditions are there. One is when a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2. When it is not equal to b1 by b2, then we can say that is intersecting line. Likewise, when a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2, then we add c1 by c2 and we check whether a1 by a2 and b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2 or not equal to c1 by c2. So today we talk about algebraic method. So in algebraic method we talk about substitution method, elimination method and cross multiplication method. So substitution means to replace. So let me give some examples how to solve the equation in substitution method. So let me take any number like 7x minus 15y is equals to 2 and x plus 2y is equals to 3. So we have to solve it in this way. We have, these are our given pair of linear equation in two variable, that is x variable and y variable, and we have pair of this equation. So what we do is we take 7x minus 15y is equal to 2 as equation 1 and x plus 2y is equal to 3 as equation 2. So now what we do is we take equation 2. So we take what? Equation 2. X plus 2y is equal to 3. So we write here from equation 2 we have x plus 2y is equal to 3. So now x is equal to 3. When this comes this side, it becomes minus 2y. So let us take this as equation 3. So now we get a temporary value of x. So x is equal to 3x minus 2y. So we get this temporary value of x is equal to 3 minus 2y. So what we do, we take this from equation 2. So let us put this equation in equation 1. So what we do, putting equation 3 in 1. So we put this value in equation 1. So we have equation 1 as 7x minus 15y is equal to 2. Now from we are putting equation 3 in equation 1. We cannot put this in equation 2 because we have taken this from equation 2. So what we do, we take this to equation 1. So or 7x means 3 minus 2y minus 15y is equal to 2. So instead of x we wrote 3 minus 2y because x equals to 3 minus 2y is equal to 2. Now we solve this and we take out the value of y. Now or 7 3s are 21 minus 7 2s are 14y minus 15y is equal to 2. So this is also negative, this is also negative. So both are in a y variable. So what we do, we add this and we keep this as negative only. So how much we get? We get 29y is equal to 2. So we take this on other side. So we get minus 29y is equal to 2 minus 21. So minus 29y is equal to minus 19. So we write or here. Now or, and we cancel this negative sign. So we get 29y is equal to 19. So or y is equal to 19 by 29. So this is our value of y. So let us keep that as number 4. Now what we do is now putting equation 4 in, now we can put this in either in 2 or in 3. So let us put in equation 3. So what we get, x is equals to 3 minus 2y. So, or x is equals to 3 minus 2, and what is the value of y? We get 19 by 29. So, or x is equals to 3 minus 9 to 18, 8, 2 1s are 2, 3, 38 by 29. So what we do? We take LCM of the denominators. So still we get 29. So 3 into 29 minus 38. Or x is equals to, now we multiply this, 29 into 3. 3 9s are 27. Carry over to 3 2s are 6, 7, 8. So we get 87 minus 38 by 29. So what we do now? We subtract these. So 87 minus 38, how much we get? We get 49. So we get how much? 49. So we get 49 by 29. So this is our value for x. So therefore x is equals to, how much we get? 49 by 29, and y is equals to 19 by 29. This is the way to solve these equation in substitution method.